my channel. So that was like my little intro for today. So I'm going to show you how I prep my hair for a protective style, and it is wash day. And just to warn you, I have hair under my arm, you know, so if you have a problem with that, I'm so sorry. So sorry, I can't help you. I'm going to be pre-pooing my hair with some aloe vera and flaxseed gel and some hibiscus powder. That's why it looks brown like this. Yeah, and I put it in this container so it'll be easy to squirt out like that.
So all I'm doing right here is undoing my twist so I can add my pre-poo to that section.
During this time when I'm pre-pooing, I like to detangle my hair as well, so that I don't have any problems when I am washing my hair. I find that when I detangle my hair while my hair is pre-pooing or in the pre-poo stage, it makes my hair so much more manageable, and it also makes it less prone to breakage. So I'm doing this amount.
If I just wash my hair without detangling first, I'm going to get a lot of tangles. So I'm just adding my aloe vera and flaxseed gel to that section, and I'm going to work it in.
I probably need to go and get my spray bottle to just dampen my hair a bit.
Here's a small snippet of me finger detangling my hair, doing the praying hands method and working my way up to the roots.
So this section feels fully detangled. And a quick thing to note when you're finger detangling, ensure that you go all the way up to the roots, because if you don't finger detangle up to the roots, you're going to have tangling at the roots. So it's important that you not only finger detangle the ends, but you finger detangle the roots, because your hair starts to shed from the root. This is a shed hair from that section, and I'm just going to continue that all over my head.
So whenever I'm finished with a section, I just twist it up so that it stays detangled, because I don't have that type of hair where I can leave my hair loosely like that. It's not going to work for me, so I'm just twirling the ends for no reason at all.
Just a little bit of water, just a little tiny bit. And I'm massaging that in.
I find that when I do the praying hands method, it helps to stretch my curls a lot better while doing the finger detangling. I don't know why, but like the palms of your hand just smooth it in more and it soaks more into the cuticle. And then I'm just applying the aloe vera flaxseed gel to my hair, saturating my hair, and I finger detangle each curl.
I'm not naked.
So virtually you're going to see me do this all over my head. I'm showing you a snippet of how I detangle my hair. I like to separate each curl, and I do this from the roots down because I get most of my tangling at the roots. And the aloe vera and the flaxseed gel adds a lot of slip to my hair, so I'm able to do this without snagging. As you can see, I'm not snagging my hair. So I do a pulling and a smoothing motion, right? And where I feel like there's a tangle, I try to work it out like this.
The aloe vera gel and the flaxseed is making my hair so much easier to detangle because it has a shit ton of slip. Like, the slip is on a million.
So as I said before, the aloe vera and flaxseed gel is adding a lot of slip, so ensure that if you're going to use a comb, that you're using a product that has a lot of slip to reduce the friction, so that you can reduce tangling and breakage. So I'm just twisting up my hair to get ready to go in the shower, and yes, I shower my hair in twists. So I'm going to do this all over my head, and then I'm going to hop in the shower. So you know you got to turn on the water, the good old H2O, to help moisturize and hydrate that hair. So even though my hair was previously saturated with the aloe vera and flaxseed gel, it still does take a while for my hair to get wet because I am low porosity. So I shampoo my hair with the Treseme shampoo. I think this is the anti-breakage line, and the shampoo is so creamy, and I love shampoos with sulfates. I don't know, because I'm low porosity and it's much easier for my hair to get build up. That's why I love sulfates, but I'm no stranger to sulfates. And you can honestly see the difference between the first and the second lather. So I'm just lathering up my hair, and I do this for about 2 minutes, and I shampoo my scalp. And you know you have to have a concert when you're doing your hair. You have to find ways to enjoy a wash day. So this is me just rocking and jamming. And I forgot to mention that I leave in the pre-poo for about 30 minutes with a shower cap on. So this is me showing you how creamy the Treseme shampoo is, and look at the lather on the second wash. Like, it's much more soapy, and because I pre-poo, I don't experience the dryness that persons usually experience when they use sulfate shampoo. So after I'm finished shampooing my hair, then it's deep conditioning time, and the deep conditioner that I showed you in the first clip is what I'm going to use to deep condition my hair right now. So all I'm doing is undoing the twist, and then I'm going to apply the deep conditioner. And this is not my true curl pattern, it's manipulated by the twist, right? So the twist kind of give it more of a curl situation, which is really cute looking at it. So this is a deep conditioner, nice and creamy, and I take a large amount and put it in my hair. I'm just showing you the consistency of it. Not too thick, not too watery, just right. Easy to penetrate into my hair strands. Like, it's just absorbing right into my hair, and I'm using the praying hand method, which helps it to go right in. And I'm just showing you how my hair is reacting quite nicely to this concoction. Look at that. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Because my hair was previously detangled in the pre-poo state, all I need to do is just apply the deep conditioner and just twist up my hair, just like that. Simple and easy. And I really love this mixture. It really absorbed into my hair quite nicely. So I'm going to leave this deep conditioner in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes with my hooded dryer attachment, because I am low porosity. So if you don't have a hooded dryer attachment, what you can do is that you can definitely warm up your deep conditioner and then put a plastic cap over it, or you can just deep condition your hair for a bit longer with a shower cap, so that your body's natural temperature can heat up the deep conditioner so it can penetrate into your hair. So after I'm finished deep conditioning my hair, I'm definitely going to rinse it out and then commence styling my hair. And that is the end of my wash day. Quite simple and easy in my opinion. Yes, it does take the entire day, but there is nothing wrong with a bit of self-care. You can do your skincare routine in the process to give yourself a nice pedicure, you know, anything that will make this wash day process easier and manageable. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, thank you for your support.